Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Questco. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and now in the address bar type in questco.net and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Questco website. Click on the client portal at the top section. Now you will be taken to the client portal where you can log into your various different accounts. In order to log into your employee account, click on Employee Login. This will now open up the Employee Login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password. Then simply click on the Login button and you will be logged into your employee account with Questco. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can find the Forgot Username and the Forgot Password button right underneath the Login button. You can click on these and you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Questco. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.